This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Stephan. The way we were. Welcome to the Florida garden the way it used to be. This home sits on an 0.87 acre lot that is Florida gardening au natural. Enjoy the beauty and tranquility of the pond and its fountain. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and 2-car garage. The living room and dining room have original hardwood floors, 2 wood-burning fireplaces, chair rail and crown moldings. French doors throughout. City water and city sewer. All of the major elements have been repaired or replaced, including the following: sewers replaced, septic 2021, new roof and gutters 2022, high-impact windows and French doors 2021, updated plumbing in and under the house, new AC duct work 2021, new attic insulation 2021, new AC 2017, new water heater 2021, new electrical 2023. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Stephan at 321-308-0347.